And I thought, subhanAllah, this is so beautiful. So I used to play last juz all the time. And his recitation of Surah Al-Fajr is so beautiful. So first of all, it became my favorite verse just by the sound of it. He used to say at the end of Surah Al-Fajr, Ya ayyatuhan nafsul mutma'inna irji'i ila rabbiki radiyatan mardiyatan fadkhuli fi ibadi wadkhuli jannati. And the way Sheikh Sa'dalغامدی recites this, it just is so beautiful. I didn't know what it meant, but it became my favorite verses just by the sound. Then when I began to read and understand what it meant, every time I think about these verses, I just think one thing, that maybe we will hear Allah say this. That Allah will allow some of us to hear these words, and we will hear these words enter. So this verse is very dear to my heart, because this is my hope, that we will hear this, and that my children and my parents will hear these verses. Inshallah.